Did you know that in Quebec, it's possible to acquire land by occupying it for at least 10 years? A court case is bringing attention to an old law that gives people using and taking care of a piece of land for at least a decade certain rights over the property. The case involves the site of the former Chinese hospital in Villeray. The building has been vacant since 1999. The City of Montreal bought it in 2019 with the goal of setting it aside for social and community housing. Now, the company that owns the building next door is claiming that for over 3 decades, it's been taking care of part of the parking lot here as if they were the owners. In the court document, Les Entreprises Crow says over the years, it did things like maintenance work, snow removal, repairs, and the cleanup of graffiti here. The company says it did this work without any opposition from the city or the building's previous owner. A lawyer who works in real estate law says it's possible for someone to take ownership of property if that person has been acting as if they were the owner. That means doing so in a way that is continuous, peaceful, and public for at least 10 years.
Our legal system wants to encourage property owners to take care of their property and to be vigilant and to act prudently when they are owning property. It is not in the interest of society to have property owners that neglect their property.
He says while each case is different, this law doesn't usually apply to property owned by the state. But the question is who the owner was when the clock hit that 10-year mark.
It's very frustrating. It's very frustrating.
A local housing group has been trying to get an affordable housing project off the ground here for years. And while the city says the project is still at a very preliminary stage because of a lack of funding, the group's general director says at a recent meeting with city and borough officials, he found out the conflict with the building's neighbor was causing delays.
He said that this procedure would take probably 2 years to conclude. So as long as this problem is not solved, we cannot, let's say, demolish the building, we cannot do nothing about it.
Both the City of Montreal and a lawyer representing Les Entreprises Crow had declined CBC's request for comment because the case is before the courts. Meanwhile, the housing group is hoping it will be resolved soon.